Hey guys, what's up? Hope all is well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how to add or replace thumbnail on your uploaded YouTube videos using Android mobile phone. I know that many of you guys are struggling on how to do it, especially for new YouTubers. First thing you need to do is to download YouTube Studio application from Play Store. Once the process is done, let's proceed and open the Google Chrome application. On the search bar, just type YouTube Studio. Click YouTube Studio. Click here. Scroll up. Click the videos icon. Right there, you'll be able to see your uploaded YouTube videos. Then select the video that you want to add or replace its thumbnails. Then click the pencil icon. Scroll up. Then click Upload Thumbnail. Then select your desired photo to be used as your thumbnail. Then click Save. So now your thumbnail is already uploaded. So that's all guys. It's simple as that. I hope you learned from this video. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.